We are the Association for Child and Adolescent Mental Health, or ACAM for short, and this is ACAM Learn.
Around the world, many youth are worried about climate change. How is climate anxiety, or fear of climate change, which can manifest in heightened emotional or somatic distress, associated with young people's climate-friendly behavior? Do young people who experience more climate anxiety tend to engage in more climate-friendly behavior? Or do they tend to engage in more climate-friendly behavior up to a certain point, until they find such anxiety overwhelming and disengage, also known as eco-paralysis? Furthermore, does this association change for young people who, in addition to experiencing climate anxiety, experience high levels of environmental efficacy? That is, believing that taking action can still make a difference to mitigating climate change. To answer these questions, we collected data from 3 independent groups of young people from the Netherlands and Colombia. What did we learn? A lot. To see all the details, check out the full publication. To summarize, here are our 3 main takeaways. First, young people who experienced more climate anxiety tended to show more climate-friendly behavior. Their engagement did not drop off as they expressed more anxiety. Instead, youth seemed capable of turning even high levels of climate anxiety into action. Second, youth seemed especially able to turn climate anxiety into action when they also believed that taking action can still make a difference. Youth who had lower levels of environmental efficacy engaged in less climate-friendly behavior, even when they expressed high levels of concern about climate change. Third, we learned that even though the association between climate anxiety and climate-friendly behavior was linear, it was not strong. Thus, climate anxiety is by no means the only factor that motivates youth to engage in climate-friendly behavior, even though it seems to have an overall motivating effect. With this knowledge, we hope that young people will feel empowered to turn their concern about climate change into action. We also hope that parents, teachers, and governments will be able to earn young people's trust so that, by working together, we can and will make a difference to prevent climate change, so young people can have a bright future. Thanks for your attention. We are eager to hear your thoughts and questions about this research. If you would like to get in touch, please feel welcome to contact our lead authors, Andrik and Jenna.